Hi there, Dave with Crandall Office, and today we're going to be talking over the best Black Friday sales for office chairs that we're seeing in 2022. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, so when we're looking at Black Friday options for office chairs, we always recommend staying within the primary brands. And in this case, in office chair space, we're looking at Steelcase, we're looking at Herman Miller, and we're looking at Haworth. Those are the long established brands that really produce the top quality, top warranties, top return policies across the board. We always recommend staying in that space. Now currently, Steelcase is offering 15% off all new furniture. Herman Miller is offering 20%, and Haworth is offering 15% off. So those are their current Black Friday sales. I don't know if they're going to be switching any of those up come actual Black Friday, but that's where they currently sit today. I also wanted to mention that we've got Steelcase authorized factory returns on our website, crandalloffice.com, for an additional 20% off using code BF2022, and then 10% off all remanufactured Steelcase and Herman Miller chairs as well. So that's kind of the high end, but now let's take a look into, we're giving a few specific chair recommendations at different price points, and we're gonna be starting off with the high end chairs. So let's take a look at our high end chair selections. All right, so first let's take a look at Steelcase's high-end options. And so we're gonna have the V2 Leap and the Gesture in there for those two. The V2 Leap has been long established as one of the best-selling office chairs of all time, still being made new today by Steelcase. You just can't go wrong with it. It's got all the modern ergonomic adjustments, probably the best back support of any chair. You jump into the Gesture and you're looking at a lot of those same features, but you also have probably the most innovative and adjustable arms on the market of any chair. When we look at Herman Miller, our recommendations on the high end for Herman Miller are the Aeron and the Embody. Again, the Aeron is going to be one of the best-selling office chairs of all time, and you're able to get 20% off at Herman Miller's website right now on this chair. Likewise with the Embody has really risen to the top of the list as being one of the better-made chairs out there. Very comfortable, very unique looking. We love the Embody chair here. And then let's look at Haworth. We've got the Fern in there. The Fern is a newer chair. We have gotten to spend some time in a Fern chair, and I can't say enough good things about it. I really think it belongs in that same tier category as the Leap, Gesture, Aeron, Embody. So those are our top tier lists. We've got links in the description below for all of those. But if you're looking to get into a very high-end chair, we can't recommend any of these 5 chairs enough. I don't think you can go wrong across the board for any of these. All right, so now let's take a look at the mid-tier options by these 3 major brands and what our recommendations are there. A mid-tier chair is what we would consider still a very, very well-built chair, but you are probably going to be sacrificing a few ergonomic options, maybe a small build quality difference, but these are still backed by high-quality warranties by major brands, and you are getting into a lower price bracket than the high-end chairs that we already talked about. So first, let's take a look at the Steelcase Amia. This is my favorite chair in the mid-tier. The Amia is just such a great chair. It's been made for a long time and has stood the test of time. It's very comfortable. It's I consider it to be kind of the little brother to the Leap chair. A few less ergonomic adjustments, but still a rock solid chair, especially at the price point. Next, we're going to take a look at the Herman Miller Mirra 2. Again, kind of like the little brother to the Aeron chair. I personally find the Mirra 2 to be more comfortable than the Aeron, though. I think it's definitely worth a look in the mid-tier options. And lastly, we've got the Haworth Zody chair. Again, long track record on the Zody chair. Very well-built chair. They did just release a second version of the Zody chair. We have not taken a look at that, so this is going to be primarily on the first generation of the Zody chair. But again, great things to say about this chair. I don't think you can go wrong, especially at the price point. All right, so now let's get into what we would consider our best budget chair picks. So a budget chair is what we would consider just a lower price chair, kind of an entry-level chair by these major manufacturers. They're still gonna come with your class-leading warranties and policies, return policies across the board. They're still well-built chairs, but you're probably gonna be sacrificing a little bit in the way of ergonomics, comfort, a few small things, but you're still getting in on the ground floor of a major brand with a very good quality product. While you're saving some money. So let's take a look at our picks for budget chairs. So first, let's take a look at our picks for Steelcase, and that's going to be the Series 1 and the Series 2 chairs by Steelcase. The Series 1 is going to be a lower price option. We've done some good content on that chair. I still think it's one of the better chairs for the low end price point. And with the Series 2, you're going to be upgrading the arms and the back on that Series 1 while maintaining pretty much the structural core of the Series 1. Both great chairs, both great options. I wanted to throw both of those in because they are both kind of still sitting below some of the other chairs that we mentioned by Steelcase. When we look at Herman Miller, we've got the Herman Miller Lino that is a wonderful chair at the price point. And then we also look at the Haworth Soji, which is right up there, I think, with the Steelcase as one of the better chairs at the lower end price points. Again, all these chairs are going to be great chairs and great entry-level price point chairs. So if you are looking to save a bunch of money, you're still getting that same percentage discount on these chairs. Great chairs to look at if you're looking to save some money. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. We hope you found it helpful. If you did, please click the like and subscribe buttons below. We've got links for all the things that we went over in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please click those links. It does help us out quite a bit. Also wanted to mention that, as we've mentioned a few times, we are running our personal Black Friday sale on our website, crandalloffice.com. We've got 20% off all Steelcase authorized factory return chairs, 10% off all remanufactured chairs, and everything else on the website. So make sure to head over to crandalloffice.com, check out those deals. There's a ton of good chairs out there for you, and we went over a good number of them here. So if you missed any deals or you found any really good deals you want to share, please hit us up in the comments below, share those deals. We want to make sure everybody has a great opportunity to get into an excellent office chair this Christmas season. So that's all I got for you. We'll see you next time, and thank you again for watching. Ergonomic adjustments, let me think about. But you're going to save some money in addition to, okay. So with all of that, I was close. Yeah. So if we missed any deals at all, please comment in the description, comment below. Jeez, why am I dealing? Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. We hope you found it helpful. I'm stumbling.